Hey Wheesearchers, my name is Taylor Pettitt from the channel by the same name, Taylor Pettitt, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this monochrome eyeshadow look or one eyeshadow challenge. Basically, you get the gist, you just use one eyeshadow to do the whole look, and that's what I did. So if you guys are interested to find out how I got this look, be sure to keep on watching. And of course, subscribe to Wheesearch's YouTube channel down below where we upload videos very frequently on all sorts of different type of makeup related things. And if you enjoyed this video at any point, be sure to leave a like and comment down below any types of tutorials you'd like to see in the future. So starting off, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion all over the lids to just prime my eyeballs and make sure that the eyeshadow goes on perfectly. And for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B palette, which I think is now discontinued, and it's now the James Charles palette, but I just have the old one, so I'm going to be using this orange color right here. And basically, my thought process is just, I'm going to coat the lid with the color and then just start steadily blending it out around the crease area and just see how that goes. And I'm using a flat packing brush and I'm basically just patting it on and trying to get as much of a color payoff as I can. And I'm gonna repeat that on the other eye. And now I'm gonna take a fluffier brush and basically just start blending it out. And I may go in with a little bit more eyeshadow occasionally just to kind of bump up the color a bit, but I'm just gonna see how this works. Yeah, and right now I've been alternating between taking a little bit more color on the tip of my fluffy brush and just going in and blending it out even more. And basically the trick is with this look is to just keep going back and forth, adding color, blending it out, adding color, blending it out, and just going until you find the place where you'd like to stop and that you feel is perfect. And using the same packing brush as earlier, I'm going in with the orange shadow and I'm just gonna pack that in on my lower lash line, and then using my blending brush, I'm going to just very lightly blend it out. And now that I'm done with the eyeshadow portion of this, I'm going to be going in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk, and I'm going to be applying just a little bit of it to my waterline because it helps kind of open my eyes. And make sure you don't go too overboard with it because you don't want it to overtake the effect of the eyeshadow, which, I mean, is very hard to do because, I mean, just look at it. And now it's time to add mascara and then lipstick and you're done. And that's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And of course you can do this look with basically any color you want. You can do it with blue, with green, yellow, red, anything you want. It's just if you have that eyeshadow, you can do this look. And of course you don't have to pair the same color lipstick with it. I just basically wanted an excuse to wear my orange lipstick again, which this was the perfect excuse. So yeah, this is just a very fun look, which I feel is perfect for spring and summertime and any night out. Remember to subscribe to Wheesearch's YouTube channel down below and like this video if you enjoyed it. And of course, I'm Taylor Pettitt and all my social medias are linked in the description down below, so be sure to go check me out if you enjoyed this. And hopefully we will see you in the next video. Bye!